Good evening, family and friends. Welcome to this prayer meeting of Timeless Ashok. On the 18th of March, when this happened early in the morning, I personally felt that the ground has come out of our feet. And then it was difficult to express because we were numb with the shock. And especially for personally me, it was very big loss because I used to talk to him almost every day and meet him a couple of times a week. More importantly, one has to come to terms with the great loss. And as you will hear today evening, so many thousand, countless messages have come, and we're going to share that over the period of that next 1 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. So one of the when we started and personally seeing the messages, the one thought came across: let's not cry over his passing away of planet Earth, and let's celebrate his life. And the only way we can celebrate his life is by following the path which he has shown all of us: selfless service to mankind and humanity. That is what, and so today's structure of the meeting is in such a way we'll keep it interactive for those who are attending. Please feel free to on Zoom send your messages. We'll try to see whatever messages we can read because we got so many messages. We'll have to filter it out. We have lots of videos which we are sharing. So the next set of videos will be shared, and then in between, so you'll have to bear with us. And in the end, as you would see, the family will be giving their thanksgiving and their feelings across. So over to the next set of videos.
I have been given this responsibility from International President, who personally called me a day before and told me, Naresh, because of this COVID situation, I am not able to come personally, but please convey my condolences to Kokilaji and to dear Sheetal. And he has sent me a written message, which I am going to share with you today. The great sorrow we share at the loss of our dear friend Ashok Mehta is a reflection of the love and joy that he brought into our lives and the lives of so many. We honor his memory by following the example of his life, and we ensure that his kindness lives on by continuing the good work he began and he kept on doing till the last moment of his life. Please accept my most sincere condolences and know that the thoughts and prayers of lions everywhere in the world are with him. May the love of your family be a comfort in this difficult time, and may his memory always bring a joy to your hearts. Yours sincerely, John Yul Choi, International President.
Hi, I am International Second Vice President Lion Brian Sheehan here. It's very sad to be here today, but honored when you look at the great life we are celebrating here today. I know that past President Ashok Mehta has left many cherished memories for everybody here. I remember the smile, the passion, and the time he always had and was willing to share that with you whenever he met you. It is a memory I will always cherish and remember in my memory. I can still see his smiling face. There are no words that can touch a loss such as this. Our world has lost a great person. Our organization has lost a great leader. And I know you have lost a great husband and father. But I want you to think of the great memories he has left for all of us. Our thoughts and prayers are with his entire family. Our mentor, past President Ashok, will be missed, but never forgotten.
Namaste. Lion Greg and I extend our deepest condolences to Kokila and the Mehta family. Ashok Bhai was a fierce debater, a detail-oriented planner, and a keen supporter of Lionism. We will remember him as a dedicated Lion. We will also remember Ashok for his genuine laugh and his signature sparkle that would come into his eyes when he was delighted with a new idea. Within the Lions family, Ashok's legacy will continue to influence for generations. We wish for Ashok eternal peace, and for his family, we wish the comfort of family and friends.
Dear Meta family and Lions of India, I am Gudrun Ingvadóttir, Chairperson of Lions Clubs International Foundation. I would like to extend my deepest condolences to Ashok's wife, Kokila, the family, and the Lions. I thank the tremendous contributions Ashok made to Lions and LCIF through his decades of service to our organization and the foundation. Today, we honor the memory of a great leader and a true friend. Though we are all sad, today we must reflect gratefully on Ashok Mehta's life and carry on the legacy of an amazing humanitarian. Thank you, Ashok, for your leadership, great wisdom, and kind heart. Rest in peace.
My fellow Lions, my dear friend, and most importantly, to the family of Dr. Ashok Mehta and his loved ones, I present to you my sincere condolences. Dr. Ashok Mehta was a great man, a great lion. He was a father figure for me. He was a role model to our organization. He was a beacon of light in displaying his commitment to service others. We pray today God may receive him in his kingdom, and that he will rest with us in our hearts forever. Dr. Ashok Mehta leave us with a great legacy that we must continue as Lions and as fellow women. He taught us love, humility, courage. Let us never forget all the things that he has done for us individually, but most importantly for us as a family and as one organization to serve. God bless.
Oh, great men don't leave and are never gone. They leave their footprints for us to walk on. A sudden wave of destiny brought Lion Ashok Mehta in our lives on 16th of February when he did a WhatsApp video call to me. He asked me to come and light a lamp at an institution where my father, Mr. C.U. Shah, had given a donation 52 years ago. And since that day, till his end, we shared many messages and conversations, whereby we got to know about his work precision, his dedication to the society. We are truly fortunate that the last letter of appeal of his life, signed a day previous to his passing away, was addressed to us, and we could acknowledge his appeal for donation to Tarachand Bappa Hospital, which will now be known as C.U. Shah Medical Center. This goes to prove that he worked till the last day of his life. So similar to what C.U. Shah said, I want to die with my shoes on. Such great souls may pass away, but their work speaks for them long, long after they are gone. We pray for the onward journey of his soul. May God give Kokilaben and the family strength to bear this loss. All we can say is that the show must go on, and we should all vow to fulfill all his cherished dreams. Shri Lion Ashok Mehta, you lived like a lion. Vandan to your soul. Saune Meenalna Atma Bhave Vandan.
Namaste, respected Kokila Bhabi and very dear Sheetal. I am at a loss to find the words how I can express my feelings for a fatherly figure to me, Lion Ashok Mehta. I was trying to get the right words to sum up his personality, and if I put it, the man with a vision, a man with a great passion and extraordinary courage to stand against all odds, a man with a lot of caliber in his head and heart, his compassion for poor, for anything who needed help, and for any service project, not only in Mumbai but in the entire country, and his commitment to the cause of all the above. I mean, if I say the vision, passion, courage was thy name, Ashok Mehta, I will not be exaggerating. So I convey my feelings of condolences to be conveyed to respected Kokila Bhabhi and dear Sheetal.
Dear friends, Kushlani joins me in conveying our deepest sympathies to Kokila and Sheetal on the passing away of our dear great friend, Lion Ashok Mehta, who was my guide, philosopher and friend in Lionism. Without his assistance and advice, I would never have become an international director. When I was selected as the second vice president in 2005-2006, he advised me and guided me to take the correct steps. I worked with him very closely as an executive officer and admired his tenacity to achieve what he thought was right. He contributed in a very special way towards the development of Lions Clubs International, ISAME and Indian Lions, and made a mark as an outstanding president. When I became president in 2007-2008, he remained my good friend and close advisor as a board appointee. Ever since then, I have been very closely associated with him, and in fact, spoke to him on a number of calls the evening before he passed away. He had a fantastic memory and deep knowledge of Lionism. He leaves behind a heritage that is difficult to follow. I wish him moksha in his afterlife.
I'm past President Joe Preston, and I wish to convey my sincere condolences to the family and friends of Dr. Ashok Mehta, the 89th President of Lions Clubs International, 2005-2006. Past President Ashok had a profound effect during his many years as a Lion, not only on India and the surrounding areas, but around the world. He was brilliant, had a quick wit. I enjoyed working on committees with Dr. Ashok because he had this unique way of looking at things from a different perspective. He often pointed out things that many of us had missed. But the things that I will miss most about past President Ashok are his friendship, his warm smile, his loyalty to our association, and his heart for serving others and bettering this world. Rest in peace, Lion Ashok. Rest in peace, my friend.
यूं तो लोग आते हैं और चले जाते हैं, मगर कुछ लोग होते हैं जो कदमों के निशान छोड़ जाते हैं। ऐसी शख्सियत थी हम सबके प्रिय डॉक्टर अशोक मेहता की। उनका चले जाना लाइनिज्म की दुनिया, विशेष करके इंडियन लाइनिज्म के लिए अपूरणीय क्षति है। मुझे हमेशा उनका स्नेह मिला, लीडरशिप में आने के पहले भी और बाद में भी। हमेशा समय समय पर मार्गदर्शन देते रहे। इंडियन लाइनिज्म को उन्होंने एक नया आयाम दिया और दुनिया में विशेष स्थान दिलाया। हिस्टोरिकल डेटा और स्टैटिस्टिक्स हमेशा उनके पास तैयार रहती थी। जब भी कोई समस्या आई, हमेशा संकट मोचन की तरह आगे आई। उनकी अनुपस्थिति हमेशा खलती रहेगी। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं दिवंगत आत्मा के प्रति श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं और ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि उनकी आत्मा को चरणों में स्थान दे और परिवार को इस दुख को सहने की क्षमता दे। आमीन।
Friends, with the passing away of Ashok Bhai today, it's not only the loss of one individual, it's the coming to an end of a glorious era of Lionism, an era where service and leadership merged into one. Someone who stood before us as a role model, someone whom we looked up to. He was a teacher to many, many of us. I cannot narrate right away what I have gained personally out of my contacts and the opportunities to work closely with him, but his blessings have been simply uncountable. I have no words today. Perhaps I will never have enough words to thank him for whatever he did. All that I can say is, may his soul be liberated from the cycles of birth and rebirth, and Ashok Bhai, keep blessing us wherever you are. We need that loving smile of yours. We need that stern look of yours. We need you to guide us in the right direction and help us sustain the right pace which you could always maintain right till the last day of your life.
Like many of you, I could not hold back my tears when I heard a few days ago about the passing of past international president, Lion Ashok Mehta. This gentleman, who has been a loving and loved husband and father, he was also a friend of many, tens of thousands around the world. It has been my privilege to have known him for a long time, actually for more than 3 decades. Ashok Bhai was known for everyone about his passion for service, about his enthusiasm and his energy to the last moment before he left us. He combined an outstanding character and a genial personality. Ashok Bhai will not be missed only by his family or the Lions of India, but certainly by the Lions of the world. My good friend, Ashok Bhai, goodbye and rest in peace.
Good evening, all assembled grieved Lion leaders. We have all assembled to pay our homage to our leader, past international president, Lion Dr. Ashok Mehta, a passionate Lion, a Lion leader with a strong memory of events, strong memory of people. It has been a very big loss to Lionism and especially to Lions of India. He was a leader who always appreciated the good work and the achievements of each and every Lion. Well, even if there were differences, he would always respect the differences in Lion leaders. He always encouraged and motivated me in my journey of Lionism. Lion Ranjana joins me in extending our deep condolences at this juncture, and we pray that Almighty gives strength to Kokilaben and Sheetal at this hour. Thank you very much.
Ashok Bhai's passing is a huge loss to the Lions of the world, to the Lions of his army, and to me personally. He was a great humanitarian, and he left behind a legacy of love and fraternity and friendship. He was a role model for all of us. From him, I learned to think beyond caste, color, creed, beyond the divides of religion and nationalities. Ashok Bhai, with you gone, I feel that I've lost support in my Lionistic endeavors. You will always be missed. May you rest in eternal peace and power.
Yeah. Well, as you all have been witnessing, I mean, this is one section of the videos which you all have seen. and from people all over the world and various religions, castes, creed, everyone, outpouring of messages for the person Lion Ashok Mehta was. I would like to personally read a message which has been sent by Mr. Satish Tripathi, who could not put it on video, and he was the ex-secretary government of Maharashtra. And I quote, "Regret that I could not join as I'm not tech savvy. Ashok Bhai's loss is a great personal loss, unbridgeable. It is grievous and soul-wrenching. We both, my wife and I, wish to call on Kokila Ben soon and meet them. And I was fortunate to have met and known him. He was a giant among men, having qualities of a great leader, a true visionary, compassionate and kind. He had indefatigable energy, great organization's ability, tremendous patience and ability to convince others about the causes that he espoused. He also had the moral courage to say no to unjustifiable requests. And for those we all of know him, he was very forth and candid. Work was worship to him. I can only say that so many qualities in one single person is difficult to pass by. He has left a void with his passing. The soul is difficult to bear. The loss is difficult to bear. I shall always remember him. Rest in peace, Ashok Bhai." With this, request you to now play the next set of videos.
Friends, being a Vice Chancellor of SNDT Women's University, I was so sad to hear the message or the death of late Ashok Bhai Mehta, because when I joined this university, he was the first management member to come university and invite me for the Foundation Day program. Now see, on the part of late Ashok Bhai Mehta, he was so senior person, very kind, trusty, and very humble. And when I heard about his he is no more with us, I was so sad, because the colleges which are affiliated to our university are only due to the contribution made by people like Ashok Bhai Mehta. I would like to express my deepest and sincere condolences on the loss of Ashok Bhai Mehta. At the same time, on behalf of the university and on my personal behalf, I would request all of you to carry his work with the vision what he said in the past.
क्या यह कहना उचित होगा कि अब अशोक भाई हमारे बीच नहीं रहे? अशोक भाई तो अमर है, क्योंकि जहाँ सेवा है वहाँ अशोक भाई है, जहाँ शांति और क्रांति का मिलन है वहाँ अशोक भाई है, जहाँ पैशन है वहाँ अशोक भाई है। अशोक भाई की तासीर उस तावीज की तरह थी जिसे गले लगाते ही बरकत होती थी। हमारा फाउंडेशन जैसा एनजीओ हो या ताराचंद बापा हॉस्पिटल हो, अशोक भाई तो उस हल्दी की तरह थे जिसे पीने या लगाने से समाज का हर जख्म भरने लगता था। हमें यह प्रूफ करना है कि सेवा, समता, ममता, निस्वार्थता, समर्पण, त्याग ये सिर्फ किताबी शब्द नहीं है, पर हमें उन्हें हर दिन जीना है, हर पल जीना है और इसी तरह से टाइमलेस, एजलेस, इटर्नल अशोक भाई को अमरत्व बख्शना है।
Dear Lion friends, family members of the Dr. Ashok Mehta, fellow Lions. Past International President Ashok Mehta, one of those excellent, remarkable leaders of India. His passion towards Lionism and dedication towards serving has made him one of the legendary heroes of Lionism across the world. He was an embodiment of goodwill, kindness, and peace A recipient of several awards, he is an outstanding example of leadership. Personally, my association with him has been very memorable. He has been a great mentor and a source of inspiration throughout my journey of Lionism. His demise is a huge loss to the entire Lions fraternity. Although he will be greatly missed, his memories will linger in our hearts forever. Lions of Andhra Pradesh, Multiple District 316, deeply mourns his untimely demise. Past International Direct Lion Chugurupati Varaprasad joins me in conveying our deepest condolences and sympathies to the members of the family. We respectfully pray Madam Kokila Ben and Sheetal to count on us for whatever.
We are meeting today in a veil of gloom, enveloped by darkness. There is anguish writ large in our face, there is pain in our hearts. One who was very dear to us, one who was very close to us, one into whom we had merged so that he could lead, is no more with us today. Dr. Ashok Mehta has terminated his life journey and moved to the world beyond. 90 years of purpose, 90 years of life spent for the good of humanity, 90 years of life that had addressed all issues to elevate the sufferings of the poor. One crowded hour of glory is far more worth than a listless century of no mention. But when 90 years have been so well spent, it's a life worth celebrating and not just to bemoan. Dr. Ashok Mehta's life needs to be celebrated. The biggest Shraddhanjali that we can pay to him is to tread the path that he had followed, pursue the ideals for which he had stood, champion the causes that were dear to him, and more importantly, live the life that he had lived and shown us how to live. And that would ensure that Dr. Ashok Mehta would continue to live amidst us, not just in our minds, but in our thoughts and actions.
When I got the phone call from Eknath saying that he was no more, I just couldn't believe it was true. If we are to measure the impact great leaders have on the lives of people, we feel that those in a position of power can do a lot and have a positive and negative impact on people's lives. However, in the case of Lion Ashok Mehta, it was all positive for almost everyone he came in touch with. The poorest of the poor and people from all walks of life, all socio-economic strata, all religions benefited from his beneficence. On a personal level, he was very fond of me and gave me a lot of respect and often put me on a pedestal far higher than I ever deserved. The confidence he showed in my abilities and the encouragement he gave me inspired me and spurred me on to greater effort. I had the opportunity to meet him just a few days back, and he was as enthusiastic and alert as he has always been, although he was in pain. It is very difficult to associate the past tense for a person who will live forever through his work and his fellow successors. May God give his family the strength to bear this irreparable loss, and may his soul rest in peace.
Ashok Bhai was somebody who lived a very full life. Therefore, I don't think we should mourn his death. In fact, we should celebrate his life. As a medical doctor, I had the highest regard and respect for the discipline with which he looked after his health, whether it was his diet, food, or other lifestyle. And he followed this whichever part of the world he was in. And that is something we all need to learn from. He always had a positive attitude and a zest towards life. I remember when he had to have an angioplasty at the Harkishan Das Hospital, I was beside him on the operation table. And till just before the procedure, he was just talking, sharing things, laughing. And even when he came out, he just asked, how was it? And he was smiling when the angioplasty was over. So this is something we have to learn from, to look at everything in life positively. Another thing from personal experience I can say is that if you ever went to Ashok Bhai for any help or assistance, he always ensured that you got what you wanted. If he couldn't help you, he found people who could help you. And he just didn't do it over a telephone. If required, he actually visited the place, the person, but he ensured that what you wanted happened. This was a very special quality in him. His loss is irreplaceable, and I wish God gives Kokila Ben, the whole family, all his friends and all of us the emotional, the spiritual strength to be able to overcome this really irreplaceable loss.
We have lost a Diane of our organization. Past President Ashok Mehta was a leader with a very warm personality. He is a respected leader. Ashok Bhai has saw that the entire India meets under one umbrella and all the differences were sorted out and made us sail at the same wavelength. He as an executive officer, Ashok Mehta was responsible for making the entire ISAMI come together and saw that all the district governors elect were assembled at one place to have a leadership training of our organization and made them mingle with each other and respect each other, those who are coming from different cultural backgrounds. During his presidency, Ashok Bhai saw the Indian flag flying high at the mast by giving more opportunity to upcoming leaders to serve in various fields. When anyone got dejected or disappointed, past President Mehta has motivated them through his encouraging words to come back to the mainstream and with more energy and vigor. President Ashok Mehta always guided me in Lionism. His loss is a heavy loss, not only to his family, Madam Kokila Ben and daughter Seetal, but also to the entire Lionistic fraternity. I think it is difficult to fill the void. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to talk about our great leader, Ashok Mehta.
It's hard to believe that our past international president, Lan Ashok Mehta, is no more. In fact, he was an inspiration for all of us, and he was a legend who lived his life with full dedication and commitment. I had an opportunity to meet him on several occasions and also share the dais. He was having the brightest of memory. Sometimes he used to quote incidents which had happened 25-30 years ago. Today, due to his death, I think there is a vacuum, and it is an irreparable loss for all of us. आज इस दुख की घड़ी में हम उनके परिवार के साथ में उनके दुख में सहभागी हैं। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले।
Well, once again, I'll just step in to actually communicate, and we are all witnessing the kind of outpouring of messages. And before the next set of videos come, one personal thing, like Dr. Alok Sharma mentioned, is that the word procrastination was not in his dictionary. Whenever at least I used to call him and said, Uncle, particular kaam hai, I need this medical thing. Before I could finish the sentence, he would have already called up the doctor and got connected. Sometimes you have to control that, Uncle, wait, let me. But he was in that urgency to help humanity and help people. And again, one of the rare people who help people irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. With this, once more, I would like to read a message which has come through an email. Is from Bharat Manubhai Shah. He sent it to Dr. Bharat Pathak, and I read, and I quote, "Our condolence to late Sri Ashok Bhai. We all have a void to fill. He was spontaneous to help the needy, and for those it's a loss of like an elder brother to me, and he was a mentor. That very day in the morning, he spoke to Yogin Lathi that he wanted to have a word with us, how we could start to hand over and train someone to take over his role for Seva Sangh, for which he was actually involved for the last nearly 2 decades. May his soul rest in peace." With this, once again, we will play the next set of videos. And for those who are watching, we would also like to mention to you that the entire video is being recorded, or the whole session is being recorded, and we'll be sharing the link on YouTube also, which we'll communicate separately. Over to the next set of videos.
Sudden departure of PIP Lion Ashok Mehta for his heavenly abode is a great loss to us all. He was a person who was always approachable, he was always ready to help, and today each one of us, not only in India but everywhere in the world, we are missing him. I have been associated with him since 1982 when I was elected as a district governor. And over the years, we worked together, we opposed each other also whenever there was some difference of opinion, but our relations always remain the same. He will always remain in our mind and in our hearts. He spent his whole life in taking care of those in need. He always advised me, helped me whenever there was any need. Since he was a very straightforward person, he never hesitated in saying what needs to be said. And in this process, though he annoyed some people, but still he always was true to what he believed in. We pray God to provide moksha to him and solace to respected Kokila Ben and dear Sheetal. Om Shanti.
Today, we have all gathered here to pay our tribute to a great legend who has left an impactful mark not only on me, but many of you around the world. Dr. Ashok Mehta was a rare lion leader, a charismatic person, a person who devoted and dedicated his entire life to serving the needy and less fortunate members of our society. Personally, he was a mentor and inspirator to me, besides being a fatherly figure. We will all miss him very dearly in the years to come, and God bless his soul.
My dear Lion friends, our association has lost a great leader in past International President, Lion Dr. Ashok Mehta ji. He was a walking encyclopedia in Lionism, was a bank of great wisdom, enthusiasm and compassion. Played a very important role in my Lionistic journey, was like a godfather to me, always inspired me and motivated me to serve more and more. It is a great loss, not only for India or Izami area, but for our international foundation too. I would like to pay tribute to him today. May his soul rest in peace. May God give strength to Kokila Bhabi and Sheetal to bear this loss. Ashok Bhai will miss you forever. Om Shanti.
Passing away of Ashok Bhai has made our life very, very empty, and with the deep sorrow. Our home in Chicago was his second home. We were always looking forward for his visit, his stay here with us. We always traveled together in USA. Many Lions conventions and many meetings we attended together since 1980. We will miss him, his presence in our lives forever. We pray Almighty God to bless him, bless his soul.
The real soul of Lions. अशोक भाई ने मेरे जैसे पता नहीं कितने इंटरनेशनल डायरेक्टर बना करके लायंस क्लब इंटरनेशनल के बोर्ड में पहुंचाए. सर वी विल ऑलवेज मिस यू. आपका डेडिकेशन, आपका मोटिवेशन, आपका वाइब्रेशन, आपका नॉलेज हमें स्टूडेंट से टीचर बना दिया. वी कैन नेवर बिलीव दैट अशोक भाई यू आर नॉट देयर विद अस. God bless you wherever you are. But the Lions Club of Mumbai's soul and our District 3231 A3 will be always missing you. but I know that all over the world will be missing it. What kind of the messages we are getting from all over the world. Sir, please take care wherever you are and keep blessing on us.
Today we are here to pay our tribute to the greatest leader, Ashok Mehta. Ashok Bhai was a gem of person, a leader of leaders, a bundle of knowledge, and a person who is always ready to deliver it for the benefit of any line and every line. I have seen him as a leader, as a fatherly figure, the one who always thinks for the organization. Today we are missing him. When we were limping, I was candidate, he was the one who held my hand. For me, it is a great loss. He was always standing with my country and me as a candidate. And when we all are doing good, we are missing you. Our era has finished with Ashok Bhai. We will miss him, and he will be remembered for the good works and will continue to guide us in our dynastic journey.
Respected past international president, Lion Dr. Ashok Bhai Mehta, a true lion, a true leader, a legend and a legacy. He had personal relations with 2 to 3 generations of lions and leos. He had a personal communication and personal care with thousands of lions around the globe. Only 2 words we can say for him: no comparison for this great human being. Walking on his footsteps to serve the society will be a real tribute for Ashok Bhai. It's a big personal loss for me because I have been associated with him and learning lessons of Lionism for last 2 decades. On my every step of Lionism, I used to talk to him and seek his advice and guidance.
Lions international president, sheriff, and holder of many coveted positions shall surely be missed. We pray to Almighty that may his soul rest in peace, to give strength to Ashok Bhai's family to bear this irreparable loss.
Service with a smile, that was his style. With his full dedication, enormous energy, and tremendous administrative skills, he has been doing service to the mankind all his life. I have seen people queuing up outside his residence as early as from 6:30 a.m. in the morning, seeking for medical assistance, financial help, and he would love to do so. He would provide a very patient audience to all of them and try and make best arrangements possible. Always welcoming people who needed the help. a person who started serving at a social service at a very young age, transformed it into such a wide range of philanthropic activities throughout his life. He sets an example for all of us to give back to the society to the best of our ability as we can. He will always live so fondly in our hearts and in the hearts of all those thousands of people whose life he has touched in. We miss you, Masa. We love you, Masa. May his soul rest in peace.
And no expression can truly express what the society at large has lost with the loss of Ashoka. Not only family members, relatives and friends, but also large number of needy families and large number of patients with a critical illness will ever feel thus. We are indeed grateful to the God for being blessed with the care, affection, kindness and helpfulness of Ashok Bhai. It will always be remembered what Ashok Bhai did for the family, relatives, friends and for the Lions International and many institutions. For his kind help to the thousands of needy families and thousands of patients for medical treatment, and for his meaningful and significant contribution for many service-oriented activities. And that is why Ashok Bhai will live forever in thoughts in our heart. May his family have a strength to bear the loss and ever feel pride of what he was and what he had.
I only met Ashok Bhai about 15 months ago. That said, my life has totally been transformed and changed with my interactions with him. I used to always kid with him and say, Ashok Bhai, I want to be you when I grow up. His attention to detail, his single-minded drive, his focus is something which I will always learn from and cherish. I, Nikunj Jhaveri, on behalf of our Rotary Club of Mumbai Queen's Necklace, commit to all of you that we will continue the good work which he did and our partnership which we have created at the Lion Taj and Bapa Hospital, and will make sure that all his visions and dreams will come true. Thank you.
So once again, the last speaker who spoke was Nikunj Jhaveri, and in fact, I was just making note. For those of you who don't know, again, Lion Ashok Mehta ji was instrumental because Nikunj and me are part of the same Rotary Club of Queen's Necklace, and I just introduced them to Bharat Pathak and Lion Ashok Mehta, and then magic happened. It was the first biggest project, which was, and they saw the enthusiasm of Ashok Mehta ji and said, we want to do a joint project of Rotary and Lions together, and the commitment of total a project worth 5 crore was done. And for all those who are watching also and who know, it was deeply passionate project of Lion Ashok Mehta ji of seeing that a new cath lab state of the art is going to come up in Tarachand Bapa Hospital. And again, when Nikunj rightly mentioned, so this really excited him as a child. We could see for those who were attending regular weekly meetings that how passionate he was. He was in his own commanding style, telling everybody there should be no procrastination, no delay, run, we want to see that. So that was his passion project, and we hope to, live to his legacy and fulfill that. And when Nikunj said, and I would like to, it brings a smile to my face, once he told me, I want to be as crazy as Ashok ji, because I've never seen a man like him who's so passionate and so crazy, obviously. And, so that was, and which Nikunj also mentioned. With that, again, we can go on talking about him, but again, sir, we would like to rededicate it wherever you are. This mission and passion of yours of setting up a state-of-the-art cath lab, the Rotary, and everybody who's committed to this has
To most people, my uncle Ashok Bhai was the famous Lion Ashok Mehta, the first Indian international president of Lions Club. However, to me, he was Baba Kaka, my dad's youngest brother. What Kaka meant to all of us is very difficult to articulate in 60 seconds. He was kind, giving, generous, and affectionate. We will miss him for many things, but most of all, we'll miss Kaka, our family's ultimate problem solver. No task was too small and no problem too trivial for his attention. And he resolved all issues with his legendary compassion, pragmatism, and efficiency. What an exceptional person we have lost. I wish that I had had the opportunity to interact with him with greater frequency and reap the benefits of his wisdom and guidance. Alas, it was not meant to be. He was truly remarkable. We love you, Kaka, and we'll miss you dearly.
Ashok Kaka was the youngest of my father's 5 siblings. Growing up, I have many wonderful memories of Kaka, but some of the most vivid are from when I was in college hostel in Delhi. Kaka was posted in Delhi at that time, and I would eagerly look forward to visiting Kaka and Kaki on the weekends. I felt like I had a home away from home. Kaka's love and generosity continued to be a constant presence in my life. After I got married, I moved away to the US. Whenever I needed help in India, I knew I just had to pick up the phone and Kaka would take care of it right away. He was tirelessly helpful and a wonderful human being. When my father passed away 35 years ago, Kaka stepped into a father figure role and provided an umbrella of shelter for me. He was also a great source of support and strength for my widowed mother and opened up his home and heart to her whenever she visited India. We will miss you greatly, Kaka, and hope you're resting peacefully with Pop and Mom. We love you forever.
Ashok Kaka was my father's youngest brother, my Kaka. We are a very small family. All of my Kakas had 1 child each. I have 2 sisters. Losing an elder is always difficult, but in a small family, it's doubly as hard. However, it is better to remember him by who he was and what he represented to me, my family, and to the world. I was amazed at how open-minded he was towards all religions and faiths. He would talk about only one religion, humanity. Ashok Kaka devoted his life to seva, when he could have also had a comfortable corporate existence life at Mukund or any other company. He traveled 150 countries for public good, yet he was so humble. These things are extremely rare and to be prized. We are a true giant living amongst us, a man of deep integrity, compassion, and humility. We have to prize these lessons and savor these memories. As he lived and upon his death, he is teaching us so much. Om Shanti.
By being his niece, I was extremely privileged to have many close interactions with him. Once I asked him, Kaka, how come even the top dignitaries of all countries are so happily wanting to meet you and give their time? His answer amazed me. He said, Snigdha, they all know that I don't go to them for myself. I only go to ask for help for others.
Going by the criteria of happiness and success in life, we consider Kaka to be the most intelligent of all men, because very early in life, he found his calling, his purpose, and his joy in the service of others.
By losing himself, he found himself.
By coming out of his own little self and entering into the lives of others, he multiplied his life 1,000, 1,000,000 times.
Everything else in his life followed just like byproducts.
Accolades and awards, positions and the power to serve, donations and the trust of mighty people, all came searching for him and never left him.
By leaving his footprints on the sands of time, by holding a torch to our paths, he will light our lives with his presence forever and forever.
Namaste. It is very sad to be here in the condolence meeting for Lion Dr. Ashok Mehta sir. At the age of 89 years, the approach towards life, what he had was that of an 18-year-old. What differentiated him was his enthusiasm, was his energy, his passion. He used to be always occupied with the thoughts about our institution, about the upcoming projects, whether it is cath lab, whether it is CVT-SOT, whether it is specific for the hospital, whether it is recently conducted vaccination. He has been truly timeless. On a personal note, we have been here because he was the one who first showed faith in us. And retrospectively, when I think the way he used to talk to us, the way he used to treat us, the way he used to act with us was just like a father with his kids. The way he used to discuss things about him, about us, was just like a friend. We were very lucky to have you in our life and very unfortunate to lose you so soon. But I am very sure that your existence is going to be forever with us. I am very sure that in the upcoming years, LDBH is going to achieve new heights. But we will always miss you, just like a kid, just like a child who misses his father. To appreciate, to witness his achievements, I request God to offer and Dr. Ashok Mehta sir rest in grace and peace.
On behalf of the staff, non-teaching staff and students of all the colleges of Seva Mandal Education Society, I express our profound grief on the demise of our father figure, mentor and guru, Dr. Ashok Bhai Mehta. He was an epitome of excellence and selfless service to society. The best way that we can pay tribute to his memory is to continue to strive to make all his dreams for Seva Mandal a reality. Ashok Bhai, you will remain with us in spirit always.
International Lion, Dr. Ashok Mehta, who was President of International Lions Club and Chairman of Seva Mandal Education Society, left us for his heavenly abode on 18th of March and literally has left us grieving. Ashok Bhai was a very towering personality, indeed a very dynamic person and constantly on his toes whenever he used to come to the institution. In his presence, we never felt that there will be any problems for us personally or the institution at a larger view. Ashok Bhai was always a disciplinary person himself, always used to be on time and a perfectionist, not only for himself, but expected the same perfection in every sphere of life. I have always seen him with a smiling face in any event and constantly there, guiding people, directing them how the program should go ahead. Ashok Bhai had tremendous interpersonal relationships. The kind of context he had always amazed me. He literally knew who's who in every field.
I was associated with Dr. Ashok Mehta for more than 2 decades. He was a great soul with compassion for poor, underprivileged and needy people. Also, he had a big heart to help these people in many ways. We worked together as trustees of Hamara Foundation for several years and worked hard for effective service delivery of developmental programs and services for the most underprivileged and marginalized groups of children on the streets of Mumbai. By his various prestigious positions he had held and with his charismatic personality, he was a great asset to our organization. He helped us tremendously to deal with financial and administrative problems. I remember during his 80th birthday celebration, he had appealed his huge number of well-wishers and audience not to give any gift to him and flowers, but he arranged a big donation to our organization, that is Hamara Foundation. It is irreparable loss to the organization by his death and we all miss him. I consider myself very fortunate to have Ashok Bhai, a big brother in my life. I miss him a lot. I pray God that the departed soul rest in peace. Thank you.
હજી તો મુરબ્બી વર્ય રોહિતભાઈ મહેતાની વિદાયનો આઘાત સમાણો નથી. એ અશ્રુ હજી આપણા સુકાણા નથી. ત્યાં વજ્ર આઘાત સમો સમાચાર આવ્યા કે અશોકભાઈ મહેતાએ એમના સ્વર્ગીય સ્થાન માટે આપણી વિદાય લીધી છે. અશોકભાઈને પરમપિતા પરમેશ્વરે ઉપર બોલાવી લીધા. તે કદાચ એમને સ્વર્ગમાં પણ સેવા સંસ્થાની જરૂર પડી હશે. અશોકભાઈને હું છેલ્લા 75 વર્ષથી જાણું છું. તેમની કિશોરાવસ્થામાં પણ તેઓ રાજકોટની ચૌધરી હાઈસ્કૂલમાં ગરીબ અને અસહાય વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે શિષ્યવૃત્તિની પ્રવૃત્તિઓ રાખતા. અને હું જોતો આવ્યો છું કે જો અશોકભાઈનું લોહીનું પરીક્ષણ કરવામાં આવે તો એમાં લોહીને બદલે સેવા અને શુશ્રૂષાનું ઝરણું, અતુલ્ય અને અમૂલ્ય એવું આ ઝરણું વહેતું આપણને દેખાય. એમની આ સેવા ભાવના આજે વિશ્વભરમાં ખૂણે ખૂણા સુધી પહોંચી ગયા છે. મોરબીની પૂર હોનારત હોય, ધાતુરનો ધરતીકંપ હોય, પોંડિચેરીની સુનામી હોય કે ગુજરાતનો ધરતીકંપ હોય, સેવા સહાયના આ ધોધમાં અશોકભાઈ હંમેશા અગ્રસ્થાને જ રહ્યા છે. કોઈ પણ જાતની સેવાની જરૂર પડે, તે નેત્રયજ્ઞ હોય, હૃદયરોગ પરીક્ષણ હોય કે દર્દીની શુશ્રૂષા હોય, ટાઈમલેસ અશોક હંમેશા સમયથી આગળ જ હોય છે. તેમનો જીવન મંત્ર હતો ફોર ધેર બેટર ટુમોરો, હેલ્પ ધેમ ટુડે. જરૂરિયાતમંદ અને ગરીબ લોકોની સહાય માટે, ઉજ્જવળ આવતીકાલ માટે આજે જ અનુદાનથી તેમને મદદ કરો. અશોકભાઈની જન્મભૂમિ, માતૃભૂમિ રાજકોટ માટે કશુંક કરવાનો એમને એક વિચાર આવ્યો અને લાયન્સ ક્લબનો સર્વોચ્ચ હ્યુમેનિટેરિયન એવોર્ડ જ્યારે દીપચંદભાઈ ગાડીને મળ્યો ત્યારે આ 1 કરોડ રૂપિયા અને બીજા 30 લાખ રૂપિયા એકત્રિત કરી તેમણે રાજકોટ બાલભવનને આપ્યા. અને આજે ભારતભરના 111 બાલભવનની અંદર સૌથી શ્રેષ્ઠ બાલભવન તરીકે રાજકોટનું જે નામ છે, રાજકોટ બાલભવનનું જે નામ છે, તે અશોકભાઈની દેન છે. અશોકભાઈની વિદાયે આજે એક જ વાત થશે કે આ રડકો, આ મખમલી અવાજ, આ લાગણીભીની લાગણી કાં સુરેશભાઈ એવો પરિવાર ક્યારે સાંભળવો પડશે. આપણે સૌ નતમસ્તકે એમને વંદન કરીએ.
જેને હું મારા રોલ મોડલ માનું છું એવા મારા ફેન ફિલોસોફર એન્ડ ગાઈડ શ્રી અશોકભાઈ મહેતા જેવી હસ્તી વિશ્વમાં લાખો કરોડોએ એકાદ જોવા મળે. મુઠ્ઠી ઉંચેરો માનવી, ભાંગ્યાનો ભેરું, માનવતાનો મસીહા અને પારકી છઠ્ઠીના જાગતલ, જેમાં સરળતા, સાદગી, સૌમ્યતા, સમજણ, શિસ્ત, સેવા, સમર્પણ એટલે શ્રી અશોકભાઈ મહેતા. આ વ્યક્તિ પાસે દરેક પ્રશ્નનું સમાધાનકારી સોલ્યુશન રહેતું. આજથી 35-40 વર્ષ પહેલા તેમને જ આપેલ એક સૂત્ર, સર્વિસ વિથ સ્માઇલ, ધેટ ઇઝ અશોક સ્ટાઇલ. આજે જ્યારે આ સૂત્રમાં ધેટ વોઝ લગાડવું પડે છે તે માનવામાં આવતું નથી. આજના દિવસે હું પૂજ્ય કોકિલા ભાભી તથા ચિરંજીવ બેન શીતલને પૂજ્ય મામા મામીના પરિવાર વતી હાર્દિક દિલસોજી પાઠવું છું.
Dear Lion Dr. Ashokji Mehta, we happened to be together for a very short period of time, but you have overshadowed our life to a great extent. वज्रादपि कठोरानी मृदुनी कुसुमादपि, वज्र से भी कठोर और फूल से भी कोमल, ऐसे थे डॉक्टर लायन अशोक मेहता. He has shown tremendous trust on us by giving us the opportunity to work for Lion Tarachand Bappa Hospital. We hope we will serve this purpose to the fullest of our abilities. We promise you, sir, wherever you are, we will walk on the path that you have shown to us and will make you proud one day for sure by serving needy and deserving. It is still hard to believe that you are no more with us, but you will always remain in our heart, in our thoughts, in every action that we will do to make your dream come true one day. We will miss you, sir.
Lion Dr. Ashok Mehta left us for his heavenly abode on 18th March 2021. It was a great loss not only to our district but to the Lions fraternity on whole and Indian Lionism. He was a pride of India. He was a very passionate lion, and Lionism was in his blood. A mentor to me and many lions all over the globe. A powerhouse of knowledge and intelligence. He brought glory, name, fame to our district 3231A1, for which we are all proud of. He was an inspiration for all of us and commanded respect in the Lions organization. He will be remembered in history of Lionism. He always believed in punctuality and guided all new member office bearers in district year after year. May God give strength to the Mehta family to bear this irreparable loss. Let us pray to Almighty.
Once again, we all heard the various deluge of messages coming, and trust me, we were actually had to filter because there are still thousands of messages which are coming on screen, on email and videos. Because we have to respect time and others, we have filtered it to maximum extent possible. And now again, I'll share a message which is to and I quote, "Very, very sad to learn the news of Ashok Bhai's passing. We share in your pain at a time like this. I have spoken with Kokila Ben and Sheetal and offered our deepest condolences. For me and Chris, we have lost a dear friend. Just 3 weeks ago, Ashok Bhai called me and we had a long chat. After a long time, never did I expect to receive this news of his passing. I realized we have lost a very close Bharat Bhai, and my deepest sympathies to you. Ashok Bhai earned the respect of millions around the globe, which we all work is done. He will be remembered as a humble, kind man, ever willing to help, always in service to humanity, and further together and visited charity. Together, schools in the how many projects she done. In the end, she won. I truly lost a true friend.
In Ashok Bhai's loss, we have lost an institution. What a great leader he has been. His loss has created a huge vacuum in India. He led India and Indians so well, has been a wonderful leader, mentor and advisor to many of us. For me personally, Ashok Bhai's loss is a huge loss. For a very long time, his blessings, his guidance, his advisors have made me what I am today. Ashok Bhai, we miss you so badly. This country will ever be grateful to you. You are the Mahatma Gandhi of Lions Clubs International in India. We miss you very badly, Ashok Bhai. Kokila Ben, we are all with you, and our prayers that Ashok Bhai must peacefully rest wherever he is.
We've gathered here today to pay homage to one of the greatest lions, the greatest human beings I have known. I feel privileged to have got his blessings, to have got his love, to have got his affection, and most importantly, all the opportunities that he provided. We learned so much from him, be it discipline, be it the will or the passion to do something. He always taught us, you must take risks and do whatever you wish to. Follow your heart. Ashok Bhai, we will truly miss you. We'll miss your guidance. We'll miss your energy. But we promise you that we will continue your legacy, something that you were so passionate about. And we will try our best. May God give us the strength so that we can fulfill all the dreams that you had.
અશોકભાઈ મહેતા માટે શું બોલવું? એક અઝીઝ દોસ્ત, એક વાત્સલ્યનું વટવૃક્ષ, એક સેવાનો પર્યાય, એક સમાજ રત્ન, એક માનવતાની સર્વાંગી મિસાલ. તેઓ શ્રી માટે તો બધી જ ઉપમા ઓછી પડે એવા પરોપકારથી ધબકતા લાયન્સ ક્લબને દુનિયાની ઉત્તમ સફળતા સુધી પહોંચાડનાર સફળ અસ્તિત્વ. મને ગૌરવ છે કે અમને અશોકભાઈ જેવા મિત્ર, હિતશ્રી, પ્રેમથી સબર, સહયોગથી છલકાતા કલ્યાણ મિત્ર મળ્યા હતા. તેઓની વિદાય એટલે હૃદયનો ખાલીપો. માત્ર ભારત દેશને જ નહીં પરંતુ સમગ્ર વિશ્વમાં તેની સેવાની ભાવનાને વધારવામાં આવેલી આથી વર્ષો પહેલાં હોંગકોંગમાં તેમના સન્માનનો અભૂતપૂર્વ પ્રસંગ અસ્મરણીય રહ્યો. આજે પણ એ પ્રસંગ જેવો પ્રસંગ ક્યાંય જોવા ન મળે. જેમનો સહવાસ આનંદનો સાગર છલકાવે, જેમનો નિખાલસ સ્વભાવ સૌને હળવાશનો અનુભવ કરાવતો, તેના સાગરસમાં થાકેલાના વિષમારો એવા શ્રી અશોકભાઈ એવા પવિત્ર આત્માની વિદાયથી આપણે બધાએ શીતલ છત્રછાયા ગુમાવી છે. આવા શ્રી અશોકભાઈની વિદાયથી શૂન્યાવકાશ સર્જાઈ ગયો છે. તેમના આત્માને શાંતિ માટે પ્રભુને પ્રાર્થના ન કરવી પડે, કારણ તેઓ તો સદૈવ પ્રભુની પ્રિય કાર્યોમાં જ વ્યસ્ત હતા. તેઓની પ્રભુના પરમ પ્રિય હતા અને સદા રહેશે. એમના સમસ્ત પરિવારને અમે સાંત્વન પાઠવીએ છીએ. અશોકભાઈ, you are here always in our heart. May Lord Mahavir bless you. Jai Jinendra.
I have known Lion Ashok Mehta for almost 30 years when I first came to Mumbai in the year 1991. Soon he became my friend, philosopher and guide despite the age difference. I had never met a man like him, completely selfless. I think if one man has devoted life to the cause of everybody else, it is only him. I have certainly lost a true friend. I have certainly lost somebody who was to me as close as my father was. I also have had the privilege of meeting all his friends and especially his wife and daughter. They are my family friends. Me and my family wish all the very best to the bereaved family. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you.
प्रणाम. लायन डॉक्टर अशोक मेहता सर एक उम्दार व्यक्तित्व, कहियों के गुरु, मददगार, भविष्यकर्ता. 1990 मैंने लायन ताराचंद बापा हॉस्पिटल में काम करना शुरू किया और तभी मैंने एक ऐसे कर्मयोगी को देखा कि उनको देखने के बाद मैं उनके व्यक्तित्व से इतनी प्रभावित हो गई कि उनका रूप मुझे देवता समान लगने लगा. आज 30 साल लगातार मैं उनके कामों को, उनके लायन ताराचंद बापा हॉस्पिटल के प्रति लगाव को देख रही हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि उनके लिए ये हॉस्पिटल और उनमें काम करने वाले सभी स्टाफ के प्रति फक्त एक पिता और बेटे जैसा रिश्ता था. कितने अगणित व्यक्तियों के वो भविष्यकर्ता थे और कितने लोगों के वो मददगार थे, ये हम कभी गिन नहीं सकते. मैं अचंभित रह जाती थी कि उनको हर एक व्यक्ति के प्रति ध्यान देना, उनका समाचार पूछना, किसी भी प्रकार की मदद के लिए हमेशा खड़ा रहना. इतना ही नहीं, गलती होने पे उसको डांटना और सही राह पे लेके आना. इम्पॉसिबल ये शब्द उनके डिक्शनरी में था ही नहीं. उनके लिए सभी प्रश्नों के उत्तर हमेशा रहते थे. बहुत कुछ सीखा है हमने सभी ने उनके पास से और उनके दिखाए हुए पथ पर ही आज हम चल रहे हैं और कामयाब भी हो रहे हैं. आज सभी स्टाफ अपने पिता के बिछड़ने का दुख सहन कर रहा है, लेकिन उनके सूचनानुसार अपना अपना कार्य भी कर रहा है. लेकिन मैं जानती हूँ उनका अस्तित्व आज भी हॉस्पिटल में है और सदैव रहेगा. वो जब ज़मीन पर थे तो भगवान का काम कर रहे थे और आज भगवान के साथ बैठकर वो हमारे सपने पूरे कर रहे हैं. उनके लिए मेरे और मेरे सभी स्टाफ के तरफ से मैं यही वचन देना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने दिखाए हुए रास्ते पे हम हमेशा चलते रहेंगे. उन्होंने दिए हुए प्रशिक्षण का हम हमेशा प्रयोग करते रहेंगे और ये हॉस्पिटल के प्रति हम सदैव ईमानदारी निभाते रहेंगे, यही हमारा वचन है और यही हमारी श्रद्धांजलि। ओम शांति।
कोकिला भाभी, शीतल and Bharat Bhai, Jai Jinendra. Please accept our heartfelt condolences for the sudden and unbearable loss of Ashok Bhai from our life. Apart from three of you who were very close and dearest in Ashok Bhai's life, his family is so big worldwide that he has lived truly the phrase Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and he has taken care of this family throughout his life. Ashok Bhai was living example of the famous book How to Win Friends and Influence People. He has been awarded numerous prizes, awards and medals, etc. But the best medal he earned is the place in everyone's heart, whomever he met. Ashok Bhai lived an exemplary life, truly devoted for a cause in medical, education and various other fields. It is truly said, a legend never dies. He lives in the hearts of people forever. Om Shanti, Jai Jinendra.
आदरणीय पास इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट लायन अशोक मेहता जी को श्रद्धांजलि प्रदान कर अपने शोक को व्यक्त करना, अपने दुख को व्यक्त करना या फिर उनके असीम और महान और विशाल व्यक्तित्व का वर्णन करना, ये सभी शब्दों के दायरे से परे है। उनके गंभीर व्यक्तित्व और अनुशासन प्रियता का मैं हमेशा कायल रहा हूँ। व्यक्तिगत रूप से उनका अपार स्नेह और मार्गदर्शन सदैव मुझे मिला है। उनके जाने से मैंने पिता तुल्य एक मार्गदर्शक और शुभचिंतक खोया है। वे बेहद दृढ़ निश्चयी और स्पष्टवादी थे। किसी विषय पर असहमत होने पर जिस दृढ़ता से उसका विरोध करते थे, सहमत होने पर उतनी ही जिंदादिली से उसका सहयोग भी करते थे। उनका पूरा जीवन वे जिए अपने आदर्शों के लिए, समाज के लिए, अपने उसूलों के लिए। उनके जाने से न ही सिर्फ डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3231A1 हमारी मल्टीपल बल्कि पूरे विश्व के लायनवाद में एक स्वर्णिम इतिहासकांत हो गया। उनकी जीवनी को सदैव लायनवाद के इतिहास में स्वर्णिम अक्षरों में लिखा जाएगा। ईश्वर उनकी परम पूज्य आत्मा को परम शांति प्रदान करे तथा उनके प्रत्येक स्नेही को इस दुख को सहने की शक्ति दे, यही मेरी मनोकामना है। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
I am Dr. Harikesh Buch, surgeon in Mumbai. Ashok Mehta was a mentor, philosopher, guide and like a father figure to me. The real tribute to Lion Ashok Mehta will be when we continue his mission in life to help people in need of health and education. He is alive in the minds and hearts of thousands of patients with ostomy. Through Lions International, he helped the Lions for Stomach Care project, because of which hundreds of healthcare workers were educated in ostomy care in countries of Asia, Africa and South America, which in turn improved the quality of life of thousands of patients with ostomy. Lions of Modena, Italy, join me to celebrate his eternal life. Thank you.
Lost two tall leaders in a short span of 6 months, Rohit Bhai and Ashok Bhai. This has created a vacuum at the top hierarchy of Indian leadership. I remember working with Ashok Bhai since last 4 decades. He gave me an opportunity to be the chairman of his DGE-elect seminar at the Hong Kong Convention and also to be the chairman of the election committee at the Boston Convention. Friends, as I have known Ashok Bhai, he had tremendous passion for whatever he used to do. And that was the reason why his international program was Patient to Serve. I convey my sincere condolences to Kokila Bain and Sital, and I will always cherish the leadership and friendship which I enjoyed with Ashok Bhai over the last 4 decades. May his soul attain eternal peace.
अशोक भाई की देहांत की खबर हमारे पूरे परिवार के लिए अत्यंत दुखद समाचार था और बहुत बड़ा सदमा भी। हमारा पूरा परिवार उनको बहुत चाहता था। एक बहुत ही दिलदार और बहुत ही प्यारे व्यक्तित्व के मालिक थे अशोक भाई। I used to call him headmaster in many of my speeches whenever I was in any of these institutions. और वो एग्जैजरेशन था, मुझे पता था, लेकिन आज उनकी एब्सेंस में मुझे लगता है मुझे करेक्ट करना चाहिए। और मुझे लगता है कि अशोक भाई का व्यक्तित्व किसी ऑर्केस्ट्रा के कंडक्टर जैसे था, जो ऑर्केस्ट्रा के म्यूजिक को बनाता है और इंश्योर करता है कि हर म्यूजिशियन अपना अपना पार्ट बखूबी निभाए। ये सारी इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो अशोक भाई ने बनाई हैं उसकी असली प्रूफ है। अशोक भाई की एनर्जी अनपैरेलल थी, उनका enthusiasm, उनका zeal to get things done was unmatched. We will miss all his presence. To pay homage to Ashok Bhai, I assure you all that I will be always available to you whenever you think I can do little bit as per my capacities. My heartfelt condolences to Kokila Ben and Sheetal ji and all those who loved him.
Dearest Ashok Kaka has played a very important role in my life. I have many fond memories of my childhood living with him. He brought me into lionism, first as a Leo, then lioness, and later as a lion. I vividly remember when my husband passed away in a car accident in Gujarat 30 years back. He was there taking charge of the entire situation very courageously. A fatherly figure to me, Ashok Kaka was a mentor and a role model. So amazing was his personality and his incredible virtues of compassion, conviction, discipline, time management, and commitment. And he was an ocean of knowledge and wisdom with a passion to serve. He truly lived for others and believed in the motto, service before self. He was a great pillar of strength, support, and love to my mummy and me, especially after my father, Lion Chandrakant Bhai, passed away. He used to often say, "Jaimini, I will leave with my shoes on." And so he did. He has left a void for us, and we'll always miss him. But Kaka, you will live in...
It is very difficult to speak about a person who needs no introduction. His deeds speak for himself. His aura has touched each one of us, and that's Sri Ashok Bhai Mehta for us. A great leader, our mentor, guru, and guide. He was an unrelenting Samaritan, having the enthusiasm and energy of a 19-year-old at 90. I have been very lucky to be associated with him for over 20 years, and those 20 years have been the most enriching experience of my life. It was all about giving back to the society for him. Ashok Bhai was like the wind beneath our wings for all of us around him, a connect across all generations. Actually, he was like a candle throwing glow on everyone around him, but never mentioned about it, balanced and grounded. I am certain he has left a part of him in all of us. We already see his reflection in Bharat Bhai Pathak. And if all of us come together to continue his good deeds, it should be the best tribute we can pay him. I wish I could have told him in his living years how irreplaceable he was. His spirit will always be with us, and I pray his soul rests in peace. God bless him always. Jai Jinendra.
Well, we have now finished the video series, and before I hand it over to the family, his daughter, to give her response on behalf of the family, it would be in fitness of things to acknowledge the support for getting this whole condolence meeting video and all this together. And most importantly, these are 4 people who really worked hard. Lion Raju Manwani, Lion Nitin Shetty, Santosh Chavan, Pramod Dalmia, and Dipali Matkar, who put the technology whole thing together, and it was back-to-back 48 hours. And the last person, which even Mihir Kapadia mentioned about, Dr. Bharat Pathak, who's been the backbone driving this thing. And here I would like to state, when I asked him, kindly give me your video, I could make out he was, I mean, what can he say? Because he was, like Uncle used to say, that we don't know, and anybody who knew Ram Lakshman, they don't know whether Ashok ji is Ram or Bharat Pathak ji is Lakshman. So I think this time Dr. Bharat Pathak was speechless, and I understand, we all understand his feelings. But as everybody has mentioned, and I would like to make in my last parting comment make, that wherever we have heard from Mihir Kapadia to Nikunj to everybody, all has expressed their unstinted support to Dr. Bharat Pathak to lead the way, and we all promise you that we are all supporting you to ensure that the legacy of Lion Ashok Mehta is remembered and continues. With this, I hand it over to Sheetal, his daughter, to give a remark or comment from the family side.
My Papa, he had the most charismatic smile that you can ever see. The most beautiful smile that can bring any person. And his motto in life was service with a smile. He has touched a million lives and helped each and every one that has stepped at her. He was a true lion that inspired many. What he has achieved in his lifetime is truly remarkable. We should all remember him with a smile and not with tears, because he was a legend and he has left behind him a legendary path which we all need to follow. Papa's energy at the age of 90 years was like the rising sun that touched all hearts and gave warmth to everyone around him. There was no word like impossible in his dictionary. Such souls come rare to earth and they fill our hearts with so much love. Papa, we love you dearly. My mom has played an equally important role. Without her support, Papa would have been able to achieve what he did. Thank you, Mom, for everything that you do for all of us. I'm extremely grateful for the love and respect all of you have shared on my Papa. I thank each and every one of you for your condolence message and being part of our prayer meeting. We have received videos and messages from all parts of the world. And if for any reason we have not been able to call you back, we will definitely do so from the coming week. We have been overwhelmed with phone calls and people visiting us. So please, I'm extremely sorry for not having reached out and called you all back. Thank you for the love and affection you have shown to Papa, Mom, and me. कहते हैं, जाने वाले कभी लौट कर नहीं आते, जाने वाले कभी लौट कर नहीं आते, पर कई जाने वाले जाकर भी रहते हैं हमारे दिल में, हमारे धड़कन में, हमारी खुशी और गम में. पापा, you are eternal, you are अमर. पापा, याद करते हैं आपको दिल से, ऐसे दिव्य आत्मा को कोटि कोटि वंदन. ओम शांति.
This is the end of the prayer meeting, and thank you for everybody who's come and attended virtually and in person. Om Shanti.